family is satisfied. Even though we've lost our son, this should serve as a deterrent to any other person who wants to take the law into his or her own hands.
You know that it's been a very difficult moment sitting through the entire proceedings and all that. As a family, sitting through the court, what was going through the mind of the family?
Well, it wasn't easy. We were only waiting for judgments to be given so that we will go back to our various homes to go and continue wherever we have left off. Mind you, because of this issue, my brother has lost his job that he's doing, his private business, and he's in debt over 180,000 Ghana cedis, which we don't know where to go and find those monies to pay off those debts.
Yes, because of this case.
Yes. So once judgment has come, we'll go back and then strategize and go and see how we can pay off those debts.
Does this decision bring any closure to the family in terms of what you've lost, your son? Does it bring any closure?
Well, it doesn't bring any closure, but at least whatever has happened, and we know certainly that we have to find a way to pay off those debts.
See, the decision of return of non-guilty verdicts relies on the jury. So it is something that I said to the jury, but not actually convince them, because that's not the position of the law.
Now, what do you make of the decision of it?
Oh, it has been it is good, because the evidence is obvious that my client, for instance, admitted to the offense. And once you've admitted to the offense, there's no way that the jury returned no guilty verdicts.
Okay, you have been counseling this whole matter right from day one. You looked at the situation. Initially, we were representing the two accused person, now convicts. And you look at the situation, realize that their stories are different. What advice did you give to him from day one?
Who?
Your client. When he spoke to you, what did he tell you?
But he confessed the offense to me. And once he confessed the offense to me, as a lawyer, you also have to be an officer of the court. You have to be very candid with the court. So once he has confessed offense to me, I asked him that he should tell the truth.
Is it because you know that he has a maximum of 3 years to serve?
Not really, not because of that. He confessed the offense because he realized that in his evidence at the police station, at the indictment, and even before the trial, he said it. So it's not because that he has a maximum sentence of 3 years. Once he has told me the truth, as a lawyer, it's my duty also to help the client and the court that the truth ought to be told, because we are looking for truth and justice.
Thank you for the opportunity. It makes me feel very bad. The circumstances of this case, we can't say much. You were in court throughout the trial, and you heard the evidence on record. There was little we could do. Just like counsel for first accused said, it is a duty of our client to tell us the truth, give us the facts as they are. Throughout the trial, we asked him whether he committed the offense. He denied to us. And there was nothing we could tell the court apart from what he has told us. So it's a very difficult case for us to do. Though my senior, Martin Pebu, was called upon by the court to extend his pro bono services to the second accused. And you heard my lady throughout the trial. We have done our best representing the second accused. That is the decision of the jury, and we respect it.
Are you going to appeal?
We do not have the instructions of our client yet. And today was the verdict and the judgment. We need to apply for the judgment, study it. Then thereafter, if we have the instructions of our client, and if there is merit in appealing, we'll look at it. But for now, I can't say much about it.
Right. For more news, please visit our website graphic.com.gh or follow us on Facebook at Daily Graphic and on YouTube and Twitter at GraphicGH.
Subscribe now.